If we take into consideration the conversations with our clients, if we analyze the annual reports, if we assess the investment priorities, we can confirm, it is clear for us that the end-to-end supply chain with the factory at the center is on the top of the agenda of our customers. Digital capabilities such as AI, digital twin, hyperautomation are key enablers of the resilient supply chain. For NTT Data, supporting to the clients means a twofold perspective. On the one hand, of course, improving the financial KPIs, service and cost ratios, but also improving the sustainability is a key element of such transformations.